The next object we will be inserting into our presentation is a chart or a graph. Now, this graph will be comparing the sales figures for our product for the year 2005 and 2006. Now, for you to be able to work effectively with graphs, you will need to know how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. The graph will be made from Microsoft Excel into Microsoft PowerPoint, so you need to actually know how to use Microsoft Excel itself. However, let's go in and see how one can in a simpler way insert a chart into Microsoft PowerPoint. We need to first insert a slide. Now this slide can be a blank slide, it can be a slide with content, as long as you can go in the slide and be able to select chart in there. But in any way you can go in and select the chart from the insert tab. We're going to use the chart from the slide itself. Now let's give the slide for financial year 2005 to 2006. Now we're going to be comparing the sales figures for the 2 years. Then we go in and then we select graph or chart. Now these are all the charts that you will find, so you will move from different types of charts depending on what your presentation require. Let's simply go in and pick up a default column chart, and then we click on OK. Now you'll find that the column chart will come up in this data sheet. This is the data sheet that you might want to use in Microsoft Excel in order to update your PowerPoint graph. Now in there we want to compare the year 2005 and the year 2006. So we don't need this part of the chart. We just select it, and then it's fine because we don't need this area. We are then going to add the services that we have in our company, which is then internet services, the next one being printing services. It's much better if we go in and say internet and we say printing, and the last one being our documents, right? Because we don't need this column, we only need this 3, so we've got a graph that will compare the services and the year. We're going to just total the services that we provided for internet for the year 2005. We go in there and we put in that figure, and for the year 2006 the sales was 22,000, and for printing we had 15,000, and in that year we had that. Documents, we didn't do any business, and in the next year we did far less. We actually did 5,000 on documents. Now once you're done with editing the graph in Microsoft Excel, then we can just click there to update our graph. So you'll see now that we've got the graph in there, or the slide with the graph that shows the sales figures for our services per the years. So you've got your 2005 there showing, and then you've got your 2006 showing there. So if you want to go back into your slide and you want to actually quickly edit the data that we were using in there, which we actually had a column in there. We don't want it to be part of our just delete that column. We don't want it to be part of our presentation. Then we are done with our chart, and we go back into our presentation. We'll see that now we've got the chart as part of our presentation. We can again resize the chart, and later on we will see how we can work with the charts and